Before 2017, AI models read text one word at a time. Then, this paper changed everything. It introduced transformers, the architecture behind GPT. Old models like RNNs process tokens sequentially were slow, struggled with long-range dependencies. If a sentence was long, they forgot earlier words. Transformers introduced one idea: attention. Instead of reading word by word, every word looks at every other word at the same time, so the model can instantly understand relationships. Each word creates three things: query, key, and value. It compares its query with all keys, then combines the values based on importance. That's how the model decides what matters most in this sentence. This was huge since it introduced parallel processing, much faster, better long-range understanding, and scales to massive models. This is why modern AI exists. Transformers didn't just improve AI, they redefined how machines understand language, and everything from GPT to modern LLMs is built on this idea.